Okay, we're ready to run the program. What we just told the programmer to do was for 20 seconds we want to ramp from 0 to 100. While it's doing that, we want the atmosphere to come on automatically. At the end of segment 1, or that first 20 seconds, we want the atmosphere to turn off and we want it to sit there for 20 seconds. At the end of segment 2, or that 20 seconds, we now want it to ramp from 100 down to 0. We do not want the atmosphere on, but when we're done with the program, or the program is finished, we want indication, and that indication will be this amber light, and the cycle will come on. Also at this point, your alarm will come on too as well. So you see me do it. When I hear that alarm, I'll also see the alarm silence button light up, and that button, when I press it, the alarm will go off, the light will remain on. The reason for that is the alarm condition has not been satisfied. It's there to turn off the audible. Once the alarm condition is satisfied, that white light will go off as well. So let's start the demonstration. To run your program, you have to press the up and right arrow keys simultaneously. You have to use the down key to scroll till you see profile control. Press your right key. It's going to ask you for the unlock code. In this instrument, everything is unlock 10. Press the right key, and we want to run profile. Press the right key. We created test 1, so we're going to run test 1. So we highlight it, press the right key. It's going to ask us if we're sure. We press the down key. Yes. Press the right key. And program is now running. So it's ramping right now to 100 degrees. The atmosphere just came off. We're in segment 2, which is a dwell, and we'll sit there for about another 10 seconds. Okay, we're in segment number 3. We're ramping down to 0. We have our end of cycle alarm, audible alarm, silenced, and that's it.